Next caller, was Diddy really sentenced for the charge he was convicted of, or was he retried at sentencing? Let's talk about it. Next caller is live. Boots on the ground, and here's why Sean Diddy Combs' appeal might have real weight in the legal system. Under U.S. law, a jury is the only body allowed to determine the facts in a criminal trial. The judge can sentence based on those facts, but they can't rewrite the story. But that's exactly what it looked like in Diddy's courtroom. He was convicted on a single charge, facilitating travel for an adult companion across state lines. The jury rejected any claims of violence, harm, or coercion. No victim status, no assault, just one narrow charge. But when it came time for sentencing, the judge referenced Cassie's victim impact statement, then brought up Jane Doe's claims, talked about Diddy allegedly harming women, coercion, and patterns that were not proven in court. The legal issue. None of those claims were validated by the jury, and yet they were used to justify a heavier sentence. That's textbook grounds for appeal. Judges are supposed to sentence within the scope of what was proven in court. Instead, this judge appeared to act like a 13th juror, one who wasn't selected, wasn't impartial, and didn't follow the rules of evidence. And that matters, because when unproven allegations influence a person's sentence, you don't have justice. You have opinion. The sentence wasn't based solely on the jury's findings. Unchallenged, untested statements were weighted heavily. The judge's commentary suggested bias, not neutrality. These are not just technicalities. They are the foundation of how appeals get traction in federal courts. You don't have to be a fan of Diddy to want a system that respects due process. When a person is convicted of one charge, they shouldn't be punished for a dozen others they were never found guilty of. And if that's what happened here, we may be watching a sentence not based on law, but based on narrative. Next caller, we'll keep watching. Because if the appeal is as solid as it looks, this ain't over.